Today, let's make perfect veg momos at home, which is soft, flavorful, and super easy. All you need is take a bowl, add cabbage, grated ginger, onions, carrot, and capsicum, all the other veggies you need. In a muslin cloth, add all the veggies together by adding salt and pepper into it. Remove the excess water from the veggies. Mix well and keep it aside. You can use the excess water for making other dishes. Now for a dough making, in a bowl, add 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt, and a few drops of oil. Add water little by little and knead it into a smooth and soft dough. After kneading, cover it with damp cloth and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Once the dough is ready, divide it into small balls. Roll out into thin circles of 3-inch. Place a spoonful of filling in the center and fold the edges to form pleats, just like the dumplings. Don't worry if they are not perfect, because homemade momos have their own charm. Afterwards, grease a steamer plate or idli mold with a bit of oil. Place the momos and steam it for about 10 to 12 minutes until the outer layer turns shiny and soft. Don't over steam it, just for few minutes is enough. If you don't have a steamer, you can use large pan or kadai. It also works well. After making it, the delicious veg momos are ready. Take it out, serve them with spicy red chutney and mayonnaise. It's a perfect evening snack for party starter.